WASSCE June 2004, question 1a, solve 1 over 81 raised to the power x minus 2 is equal to 27 raised to the power 1 minus x. Here we have a question on indices where we are required to solve 1 over 81 raised to the power x minus 2 is equal to 27 raised to the power 1 minus x. To solve this question here, we'll apply the law of indices, which states that 1 over x raised to the power a is equal to x raised to the power minus a, so that if we compare it with 1 over 81 raised to the power x minus 2 here, so we have 81 here and x, and we have a here common to x minus 2, that is in comparison here. You can have this as equal to 81 raised to the power minus x minus 2. So we see that 81 here can be compared to s here, and s minus 2 here, which is the power, can be compared to a here. So we can write that from our question here, 1 over 81 raised to the power x minus 2 is equal to 81 raised to the power minus x minus 2, which is equal to 27 raised to the power 1 minus x. Having established that, we also note that 81 here is the same thing as 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, because 3 times 3 here gives 9, 9 times 3 is 27, 27 times 3 here is 81, that will be equal to 3 raised to the power 4. That here we simply have that this is equal to 3 raised to the power 4. We still have our minus here, so I have minus 4. I have x minus 2 is equal to, similarly we have that 27 is equal to 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 gives 27. This is equal to 3 raised to the power 3. So I have this as 3 raised to the power 3, 1 minus x. So that I have that 3 raised to the power, I open up the bracket here, minus 4 times s gives me minus 4x. Minus 4 here times minus 2 gives me plus 8 is equal to 3 here, or open up the bracket here, 3 times 1 gives me 3. 3 here times minus s gives me minus 3x. 3 here cancels 3. I have that minus 4x plus 8 is equal to 3 minus 3x. So I'll collect like terms. If we collect like terms here, I'll allow minus 3x here to cross the equality sign to the left hand side. It becomes positive since it's negative here, so that I have that minus 4x plus 3x is equal to, I have 3 left here, 8 here is positive, it crosses here, it becomes negative, so I have 3 minus 8, so that minus 4x plus 3x here gives me minus x, because minus 4 plus 3 is equal to, I'll assume that I have a deficit of 4 here, which is minus 4. If I add 3, that becomes minus 1 left. So I have this as minus 1. So in that case, minus 4x plus 3x is equal to minus x. So I have minus x is equal to 3 here minus 8 gives me minus 5, because I have that 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. So 3 minus 8, since 3 here is smaller than 8, that will be equal to minus 5. So to get s, I'll divide both sides by minus 1. I have the minus x over minus 1 is equal to minus 5 over minus 1. Minus cancels minus. Minus cancels minus. 5 over 1 gives me 5, so s will be equal to 5.